U.S. stocks ended little changed on Monday, but closed out the month on a strong note thanks to upbeat company earnings and hopes of a soft landing for a resilient U.S. economy. The Dow added roughly 0.3%, the S&P 500 gained more than 0.1, and the Nasdaq climbed 0.2. Melissa Brown, global head of applied research at Contigo, says Monday's relatively muted moves reflect what she calls a push and pull in the market.
There are certainly, bullish cases that can be made. Inflation seems to be coming down, for example. Corporate profits are coming in better than expected, which is good news. But on the other hand, we're still looking at high levels of valuation. We're looking at a narrow market, particularly in the US, where the market is being led by very few names, which means that most investors aren't participating.
All three major stock indexes ended with gains for the month. Citigroup raised its S&P 500 targets to 4,600 for the year's end and 5,000 for mid-2024 to reflect a higher possibility of a soft landing for the economy after more than a year of aggressive rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. The S&P is just under 5% away from its all-time intraday high hit on January 4, 2022, while on course to gain for a fifth straight month. In company news, shares of financial services provider SoFi Technologies rose nearly 20% after reporting better than expected quarterly revenue. Adobe shares rose more than 3% after Morgan Stanley raised its rating to overweight on the Photoshop maker. And shares of Johnson & Johnson dropped about 4% after a U.S. judge shot down the drug maker's second attempt to resolve tens of thousands of lawsuits over its talc products. A busy week ahead includes earnings reports from Amazon and Apple. The jobs report and other economic data are also on tap.